Hello guys, today I have 21 euro session. Hola, bom dia. Tenho uma sessão de 21 euros. Tenho nova versão de grande sorte. Okay? I have 21 euro session guys. Let's start. Vamos começar. Let's start with this new trick of Santa Casa. Santa Casa guys is the name of the lottery here in Portugal. I have ticket number. Oh, she give me different ticket. Oh Lord of mercy. That lottery store near to my house guys. Is the size 32, 31. Oh Jesus. Okay, whatever. Every time they see my brown stupid face, they give me whatever ticket. Okay? Matching numbers. We're looking for 19, 24, 26, 13, 21, 12, 30, 25, 22. No. Okay, I have two tickets. 31, 32. We're looking for 12. 12 is a good number. What's going on here? 23, 13. Ay, 12. Winner. Winner. 28. 16. Ay, 12. Two wins. Two wins. How much is two wins? What are the possibilities? 4. 4 euro. 100 euro. Some euro. Email. 1,000. 3 possibilities. 3 possibilities. Come on, Santa Casa. Give me something. Yeah, sure. Okay, so I got 4 euro. There are so many possibilities, but they give me coffee money, of course. Okay, I got 4 euro. Now, looking for 14. Ay, I thought it's 14, 16, 18, 27, 17, 22, 21, 29. Okay, so. Wait, they give me, look what they give me. 16, 32, 31. Okay, whatever. I didn't check. I don't like to check tickets, guys, but I don't like to complain also. I only complain on YouTube. Okay, so let's go to Palabras Sortudas. J and M. M. Lucky words in English, guys. Okay. F and S. F. S. S. A and T. A. T. A. Why is scratch here? Ah, Jessica, this is a mistake, guys, okay? B and P. B and P. No B, no P. What the hell? No? H and D. D. No H. G and L. 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 V and O. V. O. O. V. D here. I. F. Jessica. X. This is here. X. And the last one. C. There's no C. It's not a winner or what? Not a winner, okay? No N. No E. No U. Okay, so this is not winner. There's D here. There's B. There's V, right? Or not? No. So this is not a winner. There's no R. No E, no R. No N. There's no N. Okay, this is not a winner. A lot of work to do and it's not a winner. Okay, I ticket number 33, 34. Row V7. Okay, we're looking for matching numbers. This symbol, 7 times the price shown. This one is a win all. Here we're looking for Estrella. No? We're looking for this ano. In Portuguese números, 26, 14, 38, 23, 18, 30, 12, 29. 19, winner! Woohoo, winner! 34, 28, 40, 43, 39, 16, 15, 21, 33. One win! Maybe it's a jackpot. Only 19. How much? Not bad, 7 euro. 7 euro, guys. Not bad. Plus 4 euro. Okay, let's hope this is also a winner. I found a star one time in this ticket. No? We're looking for 39, 45, 28, 24, 32, 44, 31, 12, 36, 42, 24, backwards, 38, 43, 40, 18, 21, 33, Jesus, this 33, 11, last 2 chances, and with 3, there's no 3, 23, last one, 5, could be 45, 25. Okay, so this is not winner. Ay, what a long journey. How much I won? Oh, 11 euro. I won 11 euro, guys. Okay. 11. 7 and 4. Okay. 10 euro donation. 10 euro dosang para Santa Casa. Okay. 10 euro donation to Santa Casa, guys. Portugal Lottery. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching.